up YouTube? Thank you for watching my channel. Today, y'all can see on my title, I'm going to do a Bratz look doll on my face. Okay, this is my first time doing this. It's gonna be a challenge for me. Today I had to buy like a few things for this look. So I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna be using this all over body paint. You could get this at Walmart and it looks like this. I don't know if it'll show. Okay, and it comes in a little packaging like this. They also have some cheap ones, but they're not so opaque. But this is really good. I did a shade and you can see the white. And then I got this eyeliner because I didn't have a white eyeliner. So this is what I'm gonna do the eyes with. And y'all are ready? So I'm gonna clean out my face, take off the makeup off my eyebrows, and I will get back with y'all. Now that I'm done wiping my face, I have no makeup on my eyebrows. I'm gonna be disappearing my eyebrows. I'm gonna like cover them. I'm gonna look weird, I know. You'll see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the ELMERS glue and apply it on my eyebrows. Okay. Apply it. It feels so weird because this is my first time doing this look, so I'm gonna brush them up. Okay, I'm gonna apply it with finish powder. Use my sponge to apply it. This will help it not show much on the foundation. Okay, I'm gonna apply my concealer on my eye. Okay, I'm gonna apply it with my concealer and let's see if this works. I'm gonna put the picture here so y'all know what I'm creating. If y'all see me looking down, it's because I'm trying to look at the photo to copy the on her eyes. As y'all can see, she has like a dark brown and then a glitter on top. So we're gonna apply the glitter. I'm gonna try to make it dark so you don't see my eyebrow. Using my Carli Bybel palette. Okay, it has the shades that I need for the actual eye colors. I'm gonna use my brush right here. I tried my best to get my eyebrows as good as I can, but I can't because my eyebrows are dark. So I'm gonna use a dark purple on the top of my eye and just put it in the lower of my eyelashes. And then I'm gonna get like a dark glitter brown and put it on my eyelid because she has it. I'll show you. I know I look crazy because it's not the look yet, but I'm gonna apply the purple again. Just put it all in my eye. I'm gonna use this eyeliner and start creating the eye look on the lower eye. Alright, next I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna be applying it with this brush. Okay, so what I did is just outline the bottom. Then I made a little teardrop right here for the corner of their eyes. She has brown eyes. I'm gonna use a lipstick because I don't have a paint. I'm gonna start doing her eyes. And y'all can see it's starting to turn out like this. It's not how I'm wanting it to look. Okay, I kind of fixed it. Okay, it's starting to look like this. She does have dark around her eyes. So. With my eyeliner, I'm gonna make lines because she has lines on her eyes. Starting to look like this. Right. Using this, I'm gonna start shading so it could look more realistic. So I'm using an eyeshadow and then I'm using my eyeliner. Taking this brush and I'm gonna start shading it. And of course, I'm gonna be using a black. And then I'm gonna do my other eye. So to make it like not look horrible, I'm gonna apply an eyeshadow on top of it so it'll stay white and not look weird. I must do it on the other eye. Sorry, I'm trying to show y'all and work at the same time. Okay, and then it's starting to look like this. Use my gel eyeliner and do an eyeliner on top, like I'm making it thick because you know they got big eyes, so I'm trying to make it thick as I can. funky in the way it's turning out. It's aggravating me. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm gonna outline the cut crease. Oh my god. Not to mention, I'm outlining the bottom of the eye with my eyeliner. Okay. Next, I'm gonna apply a dark purple. And I'm gonna put it right here so it could look realistic. Just apply it on the side of my eye. I think I'm gonna apply this paint on my eye. Draw the eyelashes on my own. Okay, so it's starting to look like this. I did make the bottom too big, but it's all good. Looks like this. So for my brow pencil, I'm gonna use my regular brow pencil and I'm gonna do her eyebrows. Okay, now that I'm done with the eyes, I am going to do my lips. They got big lips, so I'm gonna overdraw them. My lip liner, since she has like dark brown, since the middle is light, it's like a pink, I'm gonna use this pink Tarte, and I'm gonna put all the makeup I use in the bottom so y'all could use them. So I'm gonna list, y'all, I look horrible. I'm gonna clean up the lip because I overdid it, like really a lot. So I'm gonna, okay, so I'm gonna put my next blush, and I am gonna contour my nose because I really have a small nose. So I'm gonna contour it. I'm gonna make it big where you can see it. Perfect. All right, y'all, this is the final look. I know it's not that great or anything. Take a little hair out, okay. I know it's not that great. I tried my best to make it. It was really hard. I really didn't like the products I used, but I kind of fixed it up where it was okay. But if I get 20 likes, I will redo a different look. I will try to use like green eyes and stuff and make it look, you know, more poppy. Do a different brand. I did Yasmin. That's the brand I did. But y'all, I am just happy. Oops, my little piece came off. I'm so happy I did this look. I've been wanting to do this look for the longest, and I've been requested to do this look. And thank you for watching my video, taking the time. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Sorry I didn't post Thursday because I am so lost on my days. I don't even know what today is. Like, when I realized it was Thursday, I was like crap. And I forgot to upload, but it was last minute, so I really didn't upload one of my Halloween looks I just did. So comment down below and let me know what look I should do next, because I want some advice. But anyways, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and I will see you on my next video. Love y'all, YouTube.